If you are tight on space but still need accuracy, our compact RH CR series is the perfect fit. These compact SCARA robots won't take that much space, present reduced maintenance, but they still give you the speed and the precision you need when the floor space is limited. For application requiring flexibility in a compact machine, our CRL series with its star actor enables fast, precise movement within limited spaces. The design optimizes also inertia, making this robot ideal for high-speed pick and place, machine tending, and light palletization across different industries such as automotive, electronic or packaging. And for environments where human and robot need to work together safely, our Melf-Assista collaborative robot combine precision and robustness with advanced safety features, like force limiting function, enabling safe human-robot interaction without any physical barriers.
Contact us today and experience robotics as a complete solution, not just hardware.